Markham has over 15 years proven experience in waterproofing concrete, extending service life of thousands of projects, and is now completing projects throughout Australia, New Zealand, and the United Kingdom. This Aquron Adding Life Value introduction highlights the benefits of Aquron 300, the 3-in-1 liquid additive. Added to concrete, Aquron 300 provides waterproofing, strength enhancement, and reduced shrinkage. Aquron 300 works on the simple logic that working in the mix water, the additive increases cement particle saturation and improves overall cement utilization in any concrete mix, while forming a hydrogel in the porosities that transforms moisture. For specifiers utilizing concrete, Aquron 300 liquid additive provides integral waterproofing while improving hydration of concrete. Aquron 300 makes concrete stronger, increasing early and ultimate compressive, flexural, and tensile strengths, resulting in less shrinkage, slab curl, and cracking risks. No other waterproofing additives increase concrete strength. In fact, some are detrimental. Long-term durability of concrete is extended with Aquron 300 in the mix. Aquron 300 is protection from day one. For concrete layers, including shotcrete, Aquron 300 produces a very homogeneous mix, making placing and finishing easier and faster. Benefits include ease of handling and improved workability and pumpability. For concrete ready mix, Aquron 300 liquid additive can be fully integrated into plant command control systems, providing precise dosage and automated record for warranties. Compatible to be used with air entrainment and ASR aggregates, while eliminating need for other admixtures, the liquid additive also reduces manual handling, provides improved batching and logistical efficiency, while eliminating human exposure to carcinogenic powders of traditional waterproofing additives, saving time and money. This non-hazardous 100% VOC-free additive is the safer choice. Aquron 300 liquid additive is added to the concrete's mix water at the rate of 6.5 milliliters per kilogram of cement. This equates to approximately 2 liters per cubic meter of concrete. Aquron 300 is a valuable 3-in-1 combination product and is the additive of choice for waterproofing and durability enhancement of basements, car park decks, water retaining structures, and concrete and corrosive environments. Added to concrete, Aquron 300 provides waterproofing, strength enhancement, and reduced shrinkage. The team at Markham Global look forward to helping you on your project.